In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then select Split at the bottom or click on the icon of an app to select split screen from the pop-up. Wherever you decided, click on one of those and then choose a second app to use in split screen. You can pick one of those or click on this icon on the left to select one from your app menu. Then enjoy using both at once. If you wanna, you can close split screen by going back into the background and swiping it like you would any other app. To resize your apps, you can hold this line in the middle and drag it. If you wish to, you can use the same line, and by dragging it all the way to the right or to the left, you can exit split screen. Just close the remaining app by tapping on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!